So, a lot has changed in 2 years, and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic brings some fantastic upgrades to the table. But in some surprising ways, it feels like Samsung might have taken a step backward. And I'll talk all about it later in this video, so make sure that you watch it till the end. Let's get started. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is equipped with the Samsung's new W1000 chip. It's a powerful 3nm processor. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, on the other hand, runs on the older W930 5nm chip. The difference here is night and day. The Watch 8 Classic feels incredibly fast and smooth. App switching is instantaneous, graphics are buttery, and just navigating the interface is a joy. If you're using Galaxy Watch 8 Classic and then switch to Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, the older model feels noticeably laggy in comparison. There is a massive leap in performance between these two watches, and Galaxy Watch 6 Classic feels several years, not just 2 years old. Next, let's talk about the storage. Galaxy Watch 8 Classic has been bumped up to a massive 64GB of internal storage. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic had just 16GB. That's a huge upgrade, but it's also very subjective. If you're someone who loves to download dozens of Watchfaces, tons of apps, and a lot of music directly to your watch, 64GB on Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is a game changer. But if you're more of a basic user, 16GB on the Watch 6 Classic is probably more than enough. Still, it's a definite win for the newer model. Now let's talk about the battery life. Watch 8 Classic comes in a single size with a 445 mAh battery. Watch 6 Classic had two versions, a 1.3-inch model with a 300 mAh battery and a 1.5-inch model with 425 mAh battery. On paper, the Watch 6 Classic's smaller display and bigger battery should give it a clear advantage. And in my experience, it absolutely does. With always on display turned on, I am now getting about a day and a half of usage, while Galaxy Watch 6 Classic would only last about a day under the same conditions. The battery performance on the new watch has truly been fantastic, and it has been getting better day by day. With each charge cycle that this watch is going through, I'm getting better battery life. Initially, even without always on display, it would run out within a single day. But now, even with always on display turned on, it's not just lasting the night. The next morning, I'm getting 30 to 40% of battery still remaining. But to be honest, battery life depends on your use case scenarios. If you're using your watch for a lot of health tracking, for GPS tracking, for sleep tracking, and you're getting a lot of notifications throughout the day, your watch might not last more than a day. Let's move on to the design and comfort, where Samsung has made some major and very polarizing changes. The Galaxy Watch 8 Classic marks a total departure from the classic round design. It has a new eye-catching squircle shape with a squarish body and a circular display on top. It also features a redesigned rotating bezel with deep serrations that provide a fantastic grip and a much more distinct tactile click with every turn. The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic's bezel is also great, but it feels muted in comparison. I personally love the new design. It feels fresh and unique, though I know it's not for everyone. The Watch 8 Classic also features a new proprietary band attachment system. Unlike the standard 20mm bands on the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, the new system allows the watch to sit much more flush against your wrist. This isn't just about comfort, it's designed to improve the accuracy of the sensors on the back of the watch. The display itself has also seen an upgrade. The Watch 8 Classic has a peak brightness of 3000 nits, up from 2000 nits on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This means that Galaxy Watch 8 Classic will have better visibility outdoor or under direct sunlight, allowing you to see the details on the display much more clearly as compared to Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Now, that is not to say that the display on Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is dull or is not visible in brightly lit situations. It's just that Galaxy Watch 8 Classic now has a slightly more brightness in outdoor situations, helping you with visibility. Watch 8 Classic also has a new and improved bioactive sensor and now features dual band GPS. The Watch 6 Classic has a single band GPS. For anyone who works out in areas with tall buildings or in the mountains, the dual band GPS will provide significantly more accurate tracking. The new bioactive sensor unlocks several new health features like vascular load, antioxidant index, sleep apnea detection, and running guidance. These features are exclusive to Watch 8 Classic. The software experience on Galaxy Watch 8 Classic is also excellent. Running on the new One UI Watch 8, it introduces a cool new navbar and stackable tiles, allowing you to create different widgets in one place. While many of these features will eventually come to Galaxy Watch 6 Classic with a software update, the Watch 8 Classic is the first to have them. Plus, it's a brand new device, so it's in line to receive 3 more years of software updates, making it more future-proof. Whereas Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is now 2 years old and will only get software updates for 1 more year. Now, before I start talking about the compromises that Galaxy Watch 8 makes, I want to talk about this one final thing on Watch 8 Classic, and that is the new Quick button. This is a first for a classic watch from Samsung. This button can be programmed to launch various shortcuts with a single or double press, giving you quick access to things like flashlight, camera controller, or specific exercises. It's small but a very convenient addition. function. However, it is missing the siren feature, which you could activate by pressing the quick button for 5 seconds on Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now, in a lot of ways, Samsung Galaxy Watch Classic seems like a downgrade. First, let's talk about the wireless power share. It's gone. On the Watch 6 Classic, you could easily charge your watch by placing it on the back of your Galaxy phone. This was a lifesaver when traveling and you forgot your charger. This feature is not available on the Watch Classic, which means you always have to carry its dedicated charger. Second, the Galaxy Watch Classic is only available in one size, which is 46mm. The Watch 6 Classic gave you a choice of either a 43mm or 47mm model. This takes away choice from the consumer, and I'm not sure why Samsung made this decision. And stemming from the size issue, we have the third downgrade, the display size. The Watch Classic has a 1.34-inch display, which is smaller than the 1.5-inch display on the larger Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. This was one of my biggest frustrations with the new watch. To accommodate the new squircle design and the thick bezels, the actual screen-to-body ratio is much smaller. The Watch 6 Classic's round, slim bezel allowed for a much larger display in a similar body size. Finally, the Watch Classic's black model is not a true all-black color. It has a two-tone design with silver stainless steel accents on the body and black only on the bezel and button guards. While I do like this unique color scheme, it removes the option for a clean all-black look that the Watch 6 Classic offered. So there you have it, guys. Watch Classic brings some incredible upgrades in performance, storage, and sensors, but also makes some questionable design and features choices. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.